Welcome everybody to another virtual programming presented to you by the Mesquite Arts Council. I'm your host and instructor, Erica Guajardo, and today we're going to be creating a fun little craft that is a Thanksgiving card. Well, I know you're probably wondering, like, how does she make that? And it looks so hard, but actually it's pretty easy. And to help you, we created a template that you're able to pick up at the Mesquite Arts Center's front lawn or download it to your computer and print it out. So if you're ready to get started, so am I. Before you start doing your Thanksgiving card, I want you to know that certain areas are going to stay completely white. This area right here, that's an L shape, is going to be completely white. So I would cut that out, not to get anything on it and keep it crisp white. This area can be dyed with brown watercolor, Coke, tea, or coffee, or you could just kind of color pencil on it and give it a little smokiness. In the image that we showed you in the advertisement, they used watercolor. Because we're going to provide a template that's cardstock, we're not going to try to put any water on this paper. If we do, it'll start to peel and you might actually get a hole in it. So if you want to use watercolor, we suggest you making a copy of this template onto a watercolor sheet of paper. We are going to use acrylic, but we're just not going to have the water part of the acrylic. We're going to keep it pretty opaque. We want to make sure that we paint our items, but we don't have to stay in the line for these ones. Don't forget about their tails. And all the foxes have bodies. Once you have all the bodies, heads, and tails in orange, you want to create a brown color. I'm going to do this by adding a little bit of a tiny bit of black and yellow to my orange. Remember that the card is going to have a little bit of abstract color in the background. So what you could do is use this area as a way to clean off your brush and apply color. Remember, all of this is just abstract work, so however you choose to add your color is up to you. Once you have everything painted the way you want it to be, give it about a good 24 hours to dry. At minimum, put it out into the sun and let it dry until it's dry to the touch. Don't forget to color in your red heart. Once we are done with the painting part and the dyeing part, we will cut each individual piece and place them together to look like a Thanksgiving card. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? And I really enjoyed how we learned the process of painting, cutting, and layering. Also, you learned how to stain paper this week. Well, what I want you to remember is that we are still offering Tote-and-Go services until December 14th, and it's every Monday at 10 a.m. Until we see each other again, stay safe.